Hello, today I'm going to tell you about my future plans. Tomorrow I'm going to play basketball. I'm going to buy accessories from my room. I'm going to the small center. I'm going to the supermarket. I'm going to cook fried chicken. Next week, I'm going to the beach with my family. I'm going to buy clothes. I'm going to visit my mother. I'm going to travel to Bogota. I'm going to the cinema. Next year, I will finish my career. I will get a job. I will earn money. I will buy a car. I will get the. In 5 years, I will buy a big house. I will finish my magister. I will celebrate my daughter 15 years old. I will travel to another country, Korea. I will learn to speak English. In 10 years, I will celebrate my other daughter 50 years old. I will travel to the north of Canada to observe the northern lights. I will celebrate my daughter's graduation from middle school. I will have another business. I will remodel my house. In 20 years, I will share money time with my family. I will buy a farm. I will celebrate my daughter's graduation for university. I will prepare my daughter's wedding. I will stay in my home with my grandchildren.